Hi, I'm Roland Kier, Blissful Homes Away from home, and welcome to Lynn. Come on inside, take a tour with me. So thank you for coming in and joining me. A little bit about this home. This home was built in 1962 originally, and it was in a fire many years ago. So having it fully renovated from the ground up, all the way from the basement, and actually in the next addition upstairs, which you'll see later, is a brand new addition. But to code, this is a brand new house. My own personal experience and background is I'm a licensed realtor, soon to be a broker here in Georgia, and I renovate homes. So when I saw this, I knew I had to have it, and I had to have it for Airbnb purposes. Part of this here is a kitchen that's fully open concept. So welcome here to the full kitchen. Over here we have the Keurig for the coffee drinkers and they want it all day. It's available. One of the other features is this wine chiller. Chill the wine, hence by the name, your beers, your water, your Cokes. One of the key features is this pot filler. Makes life a lot easier than carrying a heavy pot full of water over from the sink over to the stove to cook. You can just utilize the pot filler there yourself. I don't even have one of these, would love to have one. And lastly, upon arrival, we offer snacks for everybody, including the adult beverage snacks. It's about the guest experience. It's about what they get to do and have fun with their families, their friends, their loved ones. And it caters to a lot of different things. As we view the home later on, you'll find out this is great for multi-generational. It's great for a girl's trip, a guy's trip, even a work conference people have done here. Welcome to the children's room. Originally, this was not supposed to be just a children's room, but as you see by the bunk beds, it's the children's room. The funny story is this had originally had regular ceiling fans, and my wife in her wisdom was like, we can't have regular ceiling fans, so I took the blades off. I realized I need to take off and put down these bladeless ones, which now emits a lot of cool air because they're bladeless in regards to not sticking way out, and it has great lighting too. Then the next part of it also is kids have a tendency to roll off their bed. It happened actually at the Little League World Series a few years ago. And so I looked these up online, and this way it gives an added preventative measure to make sure the kiddos don't fall down and hurt themselves. Let's take another look at some of the other bedrooms. So over here we have the first of the secondary bedrooms. This one here is got its own quasi ensuite bathroom, and you can access it from the bedroom, you can access it from the hallway. This one here is a junior owner suite, and this has a queen bed. It features, all the beds have pull-out drawers. The actual nightstands are actual charging bases, and so this way it helps people have a lot of storage, along with there's built-in closet space with cases built into it as well. And this helps make traveling a lot easier for storage while you're traveling. And then if you look over here in this bathroom, you're gonna see another ensuite with a full shower for the guests to use, and a great view of the backyard that you'll be able to see later on in our video tour. So as I mentioned in the beginning, this whole entire second level is a brand new addition to the original house. And one of the features I really love here is this chandelier, as you see, and I love the view of there. The thing that I've learned over time is that people are gonna need to be able to sometimes have their own little private workspace. And so because this is all the way upstairs, it's away from all the interaction of the other family members and friends, and it gives them a little quiet time to be able to do their work with their laptop and plug in. And if they get a little bit bored and they want a little break from their work, there's always a TV to watch. So here we are in the fourth bedroom, which is the third secondary guest bedroom. And in this bedroom, as I mentioned, all of them pretty much have king beds. And the great thing is it's very functional with drawers that pull out and give you plenty of storage when you're here for a week, 2 weeks, a month. And over here in this nightstand, you've got also charging spaces, so this way your electronic devices can get charged. Come with me over to the next bedroom, which is the best bedroom. It is the owner suite, and it looks magnificent. So come on over. And here we are in the owner suite. When this was envisioned, this was supposed to be a place of peace and serenity. The feature wall, another king size tufted bed, the painting, the story behind all of it is just, when you come here, you want to relax, this was the room to have it in. Let's go take a look over in the owner suite bathroom. So here we are in the owner suite bathroom. This is a relaxing oasis. We start here with the floating flat bottom tub. What I envisioned here was you could have a board and relax. You got yourself some wine, some champagne, some strawberries, for the ladies of course, while you're watching your favorite show. For the gentlemen, you could relax, watch some Sports Center. There's no room, no need to fight over sink space. You got dual sinks. One of the great things also is this master shower. You've got body jets, you've got a handheld jet massager, and then you've got an overhead shower massage on the shower head as well, and bench seating. And so the whole point of this is just to give you a relaxing environment in your bathroom, down to the colors and the warmth of the gold and the cream accents matching. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house. Let's go down to the downstairs basement. You think you're gonna love it. So here we are in the basement. This basement is perfect for when there's a rainy or a cold day. Or you have a lot of extra cooking to do because it's spill over here for more kitchen prep work. You've got the hot plate stove, the microwave, the sink. Over here, this is for, when I was a kid, there was a TV show called Silver Spoons, and the father had an arcade game, whole entire room set up in his house. So this is my little miniature version of Silver Spoon's basement with the video pinball, the 2 arcade games, the retro refrigerator. There is a full bathroom downstairs, so people need to use the facilities. There's always that availability. Then we have a roller out here for a cooler with the old school Coca-Cola style that can be brought outside or left in here to chill drinks, and then a vintage style popcorn machine. Also, for those who are staying for a long time, usually a week to 2 weeks, you have a full service laundry in there with a washer and dryer. Over here, we've got a nice full-size pool table, got a nice big TV, watch sports, have drinks, shoot pool. Even included is full Jenga-size blocks where people usually stack them on top of that table over there to have a good time and play Jenga while they're having drinks. You know, created some positive messages here. I love this when I saw this. It just says everything about having a good time, loving life, and having time with your friends and family. People who come over here and they sit and they play cards as well. It's just a great hangout area down here, again, when it's cold, when it's raining, or even when it's really hot here in Georgia and you don't want to be sweating it out in the backyard, come hang out down here. I found this and it said better together because down here you're making memories and being better together. And you can pose and sit with it. And then the other one on the other wall says good vibes. And it's all about having good vibes and hanging out here at the Lynn house. Come check out the theater room. So welcome to the theater room. When I originally set this up, this room was not even in existence. This was just one big open basement. And I realized I wanted to create a theater room experience. So within the theater room experience, I created the stadium risers here and repurposed the sectional couch to give it a whole stadium feeling vibe. And the whole purpose is having this experience here in the theater room allows friends and family to really bond over the movie experience. Come with me outside and look at our backyard that we've set up. So here we are in the backyard. Saved the best for last. This backyard has everything for everybody. Multi-generational, guys, gals, kids, adults, everybody. So it starts right up here in this upper level, what I call the lounge. You've got a TV that's mounted, perfect for indoor, outdoor entertainment. You got bench seating, couch seating. Then behind me, you're gonna see a miniature putting green, a full-length bowling alley. It is literally 5 inches short of a regulation bowling alley. You've got a basketball court over behind here, the pergola. There is a pool that's 15 by 26 feet. It's a 3-level deck, complete privacy where it's an 11-foot high fence. Over there on that side, you've got the ability to roast marshmallows and have a fire pit. And then right down below, you've got a Pop-A-Shot, you've got a ping pong, and pretty much anybody can have fun. No matter what you want to do, you should be able to be entertained. Thank you for watching. This is Roland Kier. We are Blissful Homes Away from Home, and this is the Lynn. when you're in Atlanta, come stay with us. We would love to be able to take care of you. Be safe and have a great day.